it's me again, Anna, playing on your screen, and welcome back to my channel.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.
So for our third video is magbibigay ako ng tips and ideas na pwedeng magamit ng mga YouTuber like me, like you, which is pwede ninyong ma-apply as a content for your vlog. So much for that, let's proceed to our video. Here is our 30 content vlog ideas. First, testing viral TikTok hacks. Lastly, blank queens. Eating only blank colored foods for 24 hours. Transforming myself into blank for 24 hours. Eating the world's biggest blank food. Shopping at Walmart challenge. Followers control my life for a day. Trying to sell my phone for its lowest value prank. What I got for Christmas last 2019. Who wore it better challenge. Testing viral Pinterest. Making ugly clothes cute challenge. Empty house tour. Extreme room transformation. I shaved my head using bald cap. Singing my Starbucks order for a week. Songs you need in your playlist video. VSCO e-girl girl transformation. Living without my phone for a week. What I spend in a week living in blank. Thrift videos. Whisper challenge. Mukbang. Plan with me videos. Q&A. Extreme closet clean out. Treating myself for 24 hours. Instagram post ideas. Going undercover as a blank for 24 hours. Eating only fast food for 24 hours. And for our last is makeup tutorial. So, hindi na natin papahabain pa. But, make sure that before you leave in this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and pakiclick na lang po yung notification bell sa katabi po ng subscribe button para ma-update at ma-notify kayo sa mga bago nating vlogs.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you.